Are you wondering if the sound quality on this G63 smart light is actually any good, and should you purchase this for the speaker basically and to use it for listening to music? Okay, so on the bottom we actually have a speaker over here. So this like machine actually has only one speaker, and basically the speaker is it's not really the most advanced speaker. Still, if you actually have like a good quality like audio file, it still I guess is okay, especially considering the price of this thing. So if you actually looking to purchase this thing, I will actually leave a link in description to this model where you can get it so on AliExpress. So on AliExpress usually this smaller model is like literally under $10, but I actually highly suggest to get this like larger model. So it's not even that more expensive. Well, it is more expensive a bit, but it's actually much larger. The battery inside is actually much larger, and actually this has dual speakers as well. So actually the sound quality on this will be significantly better. Again, I will actually leave a link in basically where you can get it for the cheapest price. But anyway, I'm going to take my microphone simply and show you what the sound is basically on this device. Okay, let's simply start.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view.
Also on this device we can actually increase like volume here as well, and also skip tracks and like pause and resume. So
I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. Our first time, our first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
as you can see, I can decrease the volume on the sound as well, and also increase it.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. And rush to the fish, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta keep switching, you can go and
Also, as you can see, you can actually like remove this from like as a power, and it will still play. So it actually has internal battery, and also we can actually insert a memory card over here as well. So you do not even need a phone connection to basically play this. So, and this is basically what the sound quality is. By the way, I'm using like literally $300 microphone, so it's absolutely one of the best out there. So, and basically you could probably hear what the sound quality is. So personally, at this price, it's yeah, it's probably okay. Basically, we have to consider the price of it. Usually, these can be had for like literally $10. Uh, Still, basically, if you were to spend a bit more, I guess you could actually get better sound. But this actually is, yeah, it's still actually kind of great value for money, because we actually get a really decent nightlight. So we can change different modes here, for example. And yeah, for example, again, you can leave this, for example, like on as a night light, so it's actually very pleasant. And again, we can actually charge our phone here as well. But again, if you are actually looking to pick up these, then really I highly suggest to actually like pay slightly bit more basically and get this like a bit better unit, because again, literally has dual speakers, and for example, the wireless charging also is actually better on the larger model. So those are, yeah, also internal battery also is actually better on the larger model. So definitely, yeah, if I had to choose between those two, I would definitely go for that instead of this one actually. So yeah, I will actually leave a link where you can get it basically from a legit seller. Yeah, the price also is actually kind of sweet on this thing. Anyway, good luck everyone.